So finally I got access to SEEDANCE 2.0. And first of all, can you generate celebrities? Here you can see how generated Bruce Lee fighting some random guy. But it is really hard to make videos like these ones. And here you can see the full prompt. Just a 80s Chinese style fighting movie. Two martial artists are fighting, so there is no mention of Bruce Lee or any other famous martial artist or celebrity. SEEDANCE 2.0 is most likely trained on these popular Chinese movies. That's why even if you write these vague prompts that don't even mention any celebrity, you will still get celebrities for these specific Chinese style fighting movies. And here you can see how Jet Li and Bruce Lee lookalikes. And what I have noticed is that these specific Chinese fighting movies and these style videos are the best ones. Like, you can generate like, I don't know, handheld iPhone style footage, but it will be not even close to this style of footage. And for example, here is another great footage. And here's the whole prompt. You can read it by yourself. So as you can see in the prompt, I have old Android footage, really low quality, shaky video footage. Now, in these types of prompts, the Sora performs much better. So here is the basically the same prompt for Sora. And as you can see, the video quality is much lower. It is much more realistic, and it actually looks like low Android footage, but the whole structure of the video is not as great as it was for the SEEDANCE. So the structure and the, I don't know, the whole look for SEEDANCE looks much better than Sora for some reason. Because as you can see, I mean, the deer doesn't look as real as in the Sora video, but right here, as he basically breaks in and as he slides down, it looks really great, much better than Sora in my opinion. Here is another one. So as you can see, the cat just goes and then he should be jump scared, as the prompt says right here. But overall, ultra realistic. The cat looks real. And for Sora, I made like 30 videos, and this was the best one.
Ah, he dropped it. Oh no. Yo, close it. Hey.
And you can judge by yourself. I think Sora 2 really nails these low quality videos, and they are more funny, much more funny than SEEDANCE, but still SEEDANCE is really great. And I like how you can see the reflection right here on the window, which is crazy right here as well. But after the cat jumps, you can see there is no window, but still the quality is, it looks like a brand new iPhone video footage, and it still looks real, ultra realistic. And the best part about SEEDANCE is that when you zoom in, there is no morphing of the video, because for the Sora, if you zoom these videos in, you can see this little morphing, which is this AI morphing, and it basically makes these videos look like AI videos. That's why it's really hard to tell if SEEDANCE 2.0 is an actual AI or a real footage. So here is another video.
My dog just got lost.
So the guy is sitting in the car, and suddenly a dog basically runs in and a bear runs in. And let's compare this to Sora 2. So here is Sora 2. And as you can see, it looks much more realistic, and I created multiple videos. So dog comes in and then a bear. And you can make crazy videos like these ones with Sora 2. They are much more realistic. Now, where SEEDANCE 2.0 is better than any other AI video generator is cinematic videos. So whether you write 70s or 90s or like brand new like 2000s style movies, I mean, look at this angle. This is like horror movie style angle. This as well, you can get the shaky video footage, but still it looks professional, like high level, like a cinema camera. And this one as well, like you got the perfect angles for the horror movie. And this is where other AI generators don't perform as well. So here I try to make video where we have a horse and there is another horse on the back of this horse, and there is a grandma on the top. So for some reason it didn't create horse on horse, it created a pony on horse. But when you see the background and the people moving and the whole scene, it looks like a real life. I mean, Sora doesn't do this, Kling doesn't do this as well as SEEDANCE 2.0. As you can see, all these people look real. I mean, there is nothing that tells that this is AI. Like, there are no mistakes, no hallucinations. Even these billboards are, I mean, moving perfectly. Like, there is no warping, so that's where the SEEDANCE takes the lead. And then I modified the prompt and created one more time, and here is the result I wanted to achieve first time. We have a horse on a horse and grandma on the top of the horse, and still all the people look insane. There is no one like frozen, and they are basically reacting to this crazy view of two horses top of each other. And basically taking photos, so really high quality. So then I created this UGC style video.
Someone actually thinks that I am real. This is SEEDANCE 2.0, now available worldwide.
So the emotions are incredible, but for some reason SEEDANCE 2.0 is a bit nerfed, and all the people get these weird eyes. Previously it was only for SEEDANCE Lite or SEEDANCE Fast, but right now it is even for SEEDANCE 2.0. I hate that they nerfed this, because right now every, I think, white character has these eyes. Maybe it is for security reasons, so people cannot generate like these celebrities, and you can see the same weird eyes. I mean, if you try, you will see for yourself. Someone is filming from a car, inside a car, through a windshield, and there are two cats in a transparent backpack, and you can see this looks quite realistic. I mean, this cat doesn't look real, this looks quite real, but overall really high quality video, shaky footage, everything looks ultra realistic in a movement. Also, the reflection on this backpack is insane. And here I generated one video where we have a huge snowball coming towards the car. Now in the prompt I wrote a specifically old Android footage, real low quality shaky video. I mean, we have shaky video, but this is not old Android or low quality. This is actually high quality. Looks cinematic, like taken with some DSLR camera from inside the car. When you write the same prompt in Sora, this is what you will get. And here is the Sora 2 video. As you can see, this actually looks low quality Android style shaky footage, and this looks like someone actually filmed with their iPhone from the car. So here is another one. We have a scary woman next to a beach, and then she runs towards the camera point of view. I mean, this looks like a scene from a amateur movie. And for Sora, it looked like this. So it actually looks like someone is filming, I mean, with an iPhone, like real life footage.
Hey. Oh my.
And one thing for certain, you cannot write celebrities' names. I wrote like Arnold Schwarzenegger, Mr. Bean, other things. Like I even wrote leather, basically a guy with a face made out of leather is running, so the AI automatically understands that should be a leather face, and he will, the AI will not generate the video. So it is really, impossible. I even tried to generate Cristiano Ronaldo and Messi, and I basically wrote in English most popular Argentinian football player is basically playing street football with the most popular Portuguese football player, and I even translated to Chinese but still it didn't generate the perfect Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo. Maybe if you try like 10 times it will succeed, but I don't want to spend that much credits trying to create them. Then I created this hip-hop 90s style music video. I mean, everything looks incredible, but the guys look too plasticky, too smooth. I mean, in 90s it was more gritty, more dirty around, and they are too happy in my opinion. But overall, really great. And second thing is that you cannot understand what they are actually rapping about. It sounds like some mumbling, some wannabe English language, not really English. So yeah, overall, SEEDANCE 2.0 is insane. The best types of videos you can generate are these 90s, 80s, 70s fighting style movies with high action, and there is no warping, there are no glitches, no hallucinations. Really, really insane, even the slow motion style scenes. So yeah, that's basically what I tested, and I hope you found this helpful. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.